Hello friend, welcome on again on my channel. How to know? Today I'm going to tell about the liquidity mining pool. Is like new version is launched on the Gauge.io. Today I'm going to tell, as I told you that I'm going to tell about the new version of the liquidity mining pool bonus on the real Nifty icon. So here you can find the description. Like Gauge.io has launched real USDT, POT USDT, REF, NIFT, icons, and FT coins trading pairs, and a new version of liquidity mining pool bonus, automated market maker AMM, is now available for them. In addition, the 50% of the trading fee will be added into the liquidity bonus pool. Taker and maker fee are subjected to 0.3% from now. Okay, Gate.io point reduce not supported. Okay, here you can see USDT trading pair mining pool, real, NIFT, icons, pods, and REF. So if you want to go in the trading, so if you want to see more, just scroll down. Here you can see today liquidity mining APR ranking is first. Again, further you can see here. Click to view the new liquidity pool. If you are clicking here, then you can find here the new liquidity pool is here shown. The rule for the market to upgrade the automated marker maker model are as follows, like fixed 0.3% commission fee for the both taker and maker, temporary consistent with Uniswap, subjected to the need of both market parties. A fixed percentage such as 50% of the transaction fee will be automatically charged into the GT through the open market and put into the AMM reward pool. Anyone can become a liquidity provider LP and get transaction fee reward from the liquidity pool and GT reward that are invested in the liquidity bonus pool. Fourth one is liquidity provider provides liquidity to maker, but they need to bear in mind the risk of the impermanent losses. Okay, for example, if the market price doubles, then impermanent loss is about 7%, and if market price drops back to the original point, then the impermanent loss disappears. Okay, liquidity. Fifth point is liquidity provider can take a bonus and withdraw at any time. So here can you can find multiple knowledge if you want to find here, like what is the mining rule over here. Then you can see, okay, in detail is given in on the Gate.io. If I'm going to tell about the this mining pool, the video will be long, so it will be better you can read it. If you are unable to understand anything, you can just comment on this comment section, and I will make a video on that point. Okay, so you can find multiple options, and what is the an impermanent loss you can find here. It refers to the loss of capital due to spread that occur when the price of a digital asset changes after an investor has deposited in the automated market marker liquidity pool, irrespective of how the price of the digital asset changes. Impermanent loss will occur and their larger of the spread, the larger of the loss. Okay, what is liquid mine? You can find here, liquid mining is a method of acquiring more cryptocurrencies by the pledging cryptocurrency. It is a new trend in the decentralized finance DeFi that allow cryptocurrency investors to fully utilize their crypto asset and receive higher return. Anyone can participate in the eco, and simply put, this means to locking the cryptocurrency to receive the reward. That means if you want to mine any cryptocurrency, just you have to buy some cryptocurrency on that currency of that currency which you want to mine, and just you have to lock that currency in the mining pool, and you will get a definite reward profit after this. mining completion. Oh, and you can calculate all the mining rates as I shown above by the formula given, and like multiple benefit are there. So you can, if you want to read more about this, then you can come on this page. So let come again on this page, previous page. Then this is the detail of the new version of liquidity mining pool. Okay, and hope you understand all these things. If you are not able to understand, please do like, comment, and share this video. And if you having any confusion, then comment on the comment section. I will make on video on that topic, and for the better explanation on this point. Thanks for watching the video.